of us have to use Excel for some or the other purpose, whether it is in your office or for your college work, or you may have your own business. So we have to deal with this data, and most of the time we make use of Excel for this. So if we are aware of some small tricks in Excel, we can surely fasten up our work and be more efficient. So here I am. We will look into some of the tricks of Excel. So first thing that we'll see is the autofill feature of Excel, which is very simple to use. Let us take an example of this data where I have serial number, name, department, basic, DA, and total. This is an employee data, and I have been given the task to fill all this data. So here, for sample, I've taken only a few uh, rows of data, but actually in a company there would be like 500,000. So depending on the number of employees that your company has. So first thing that let us try to fill this serial number which starts with 1001. So I need not type all the data here for all the employees. What I need to do is just simply type the second number, the first number, the second number, and select both of these. And then bring your cursor here, the small plus sign appears. Just click and drag. Ta-da! My serial number have been filled. So that's the thing. If you wanted to fill it with alternate numbers, let us say your employee numbers are like 1001, then 1003, like this, then what you can do is you type the second number as 1003, select these two, and then drag again. Simple. So your serial number has been filled. So even if it is a 500 rows data, just keep dragging and your Excel sheet will be filled. We can also use the autofill feature for creating list of months, for days, etc. Let us try this. Let us say January, and I want to write all the months. Just type the first one and drag. Automatically the list gets filled in. If I wanted it column wise, just drag it column wise. So you get the list column wise. Very easy, isn't it? I can also have the same kind of list for days. Let us try it here. I want to start with Monday, and then Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So automatically just type it and drag it. It is as simple as that. Let us say I wanted to fill the department, and all these employees have the same department, that is the IT department. So I just type IT in one of it and click and drag. So it gets copied. So text gets copied. The lists, they change according to whatever is stored in Excel. So for months, for days, you can use the list. For numbers, you type the first two and then you drag it. Select and drag it. So that is the autofill. And let us see very interesting thing, that is autofilling using the formulas. So here in this cell, the DA is calculated. You can see in the formula bar, the DA is calculated as 0.515 into D2, which is the 15% of basic, right? So D2 into zero point 0.5. But here I wanted D3 into zero point 0.5. Excel allows you to copy the formula also. I just clicked and dragged, and just see here. Here if you see, it is what it is. It is D4 into zero point 0.5. So it has copied the formula while changing the cell numbers also. So I can fill up the data. I need not calculate for all the employees. Now similarly here in the total column, it is sum of D2 to E2, that is sum of basic plus DA, and I want to apply here in the another cell. I want to add these two numbers, that is D3 and E3. So just take your cursor here, the small plus sign appears, and drag it. So the formula get copied while changing the cell number. You can see this is sum of D3 to E3. Here you can see sum of D4 to E4. So this makes your life so easy. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe it. I'll be coming up with many more tricks in Excel. Thank you.